GM, and welcome to this series of 10 videos on the Aave Protocol for beginners. We're here to guide you on how to use the Aave Protocol until you're able to start using it as safely as possible for yourself and eventually able to become an active part of a community that is helping to shape the future of finance. Now, if you're not sure why you should even use Aave, just continue watching this video. If you just want to skip straight to the theory underpinning the protocol, feel free to skip to video 2. And if you're ready to dive right into how to use Aave in practice, you can even jump to video 4. The Aave Protocol is a decentralized autonomous organization, or a DAO. The organization runs itself autonomously through code and transparently on the blockchain. While the Aave token is just the membership token of this DAO, so it can be used to vote on changes to the organization. The Aave DAO and Aave tokens are to be distinguished from the Aave software company, who developed the first code of the Aave protocol and remains a key contributor to the DAO. So why would you want to use the Aave protocol? Firstly, Aave is DeFi, meaning Decentralized Financial Service. So no central entity controls it and all the funds supplied. This is as opposed to CeFi, meaning Centralized Finance. Examples include banks, but also the likes of Coinbase and Binance in the crypto space. And there are great reasons for wanting to use DeFi, such as, well, there's no intermediary holding your funds, so you remain fully in control of what's in your wallet. Whereas when you supply funds to your bank, the funds are held on their systems. The bank and its system authorizes each one of your transactions, which need to comply with their rules, and so may even be blocked for days for some verifications. Having people manage your money can be problematic, since it opens the door for human error, conflicts of interest, or worse. Good examples of this are the 2022 crashes of FTX, Terra Luna, and Celsius, as it turns out that billions of users' dollars were illegally sneaked out. On Aave, however, token holders control the DAO together. No single entity has the power to make direct changes that may impact you. And wherever you are in the world, even in countries where traditional financial services are scarce or unreliable, you can access basic financial services, such as savings accounts, borrowing, and insurance, without having to go through an institution and lots of admin. All anyone needs is an internet connection, and you do not need to satisfy any prerequisites to access the service. Simply set up your Ethereum address and you can connect to the likes of the Aave protocol. There are other perks to DeFi. You can earn passive income, borrow 24/7, and do so much faster than through a bank, seizing opportunities in seconds, rather than needing to wait for opening hours or going to a branch. Transparency is another key feature of DeFi, as all the protocol operations are transparent on the blockchain. So you can also see transactions and protocol market conditions in real time. And as the operating rules are also visible to all, there are no surprises as anyone can see how it works. So there are good reasons for wanting to use decentralized finance. Now, there are many such protocols offering a variety of services, but Aave has established itself as one of the leaders. Why? Well, it's one of the oldest and most successful and safest. One of the very few to have never been hacked. The Aave protocol holds security at its core with 5 audits, making it one of the most audited protocols, as well as continuous formal verification and market risk review. Also making it safer, the Aave markets are protected from insolvency by the safety module capital pool, which is unique to Aave. It's also very innovative, inventing flash loans and efficient mode borrowing. You can earn passive income on your deposits from users borrowing it and paying you interest. There's a wide range of assets and chains available. Plus, it's the most active community with the highest governance activity. But like for every investment, investing in crypto isn't risk-free. There's always the risk of a bug with the Aave code, though there's never been one since its start in 2017, and the risk of your loan being liquidated. Generally, because the value of what you put down to back up the loan has changed compared with what you've borrowed. We'll be going into this in more detail, but the beauty of the protocol is that it's all transparent. So we will be teaching you how to manage your position and your own risks. See you in video 2, where we'll be explaining some of the key concepts that you need to understand before diving into DeFi. See you there.